Exercise 10.2, question 14. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 0, 2, making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive direction of x-axis. Also find the equation of line that is parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Right. So first of all, we will find the required line. We'll write that the required line passes through 0, 2 and makes an angle of 2 pi by 3 with positive direction of x-axis. So if I am interested in finding slope, then it will be tan 2 pi by 3. But I can write this as pi minus pi by 3, and as it is in second quadrant, it will be negative. So my slope will be root minus root 3. So here we will apply point slope form. Equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here the passing point is 0, 2. So my y1 will be 2. M is the slope and x minus x1 is 0. So y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3x. So root 3x plus y is equal to 2. Now you have learned that the parallel lines will have x coefficient and y coefficient same. So the line parallel to the line in equation 1, this is my equation 1, will be root 3x plus y is equal to k. The difference will be in the constant term only. Their coefficient of x and the coefficient of y will be same. This line passes through. It is given that the required line passes through 0, minus 2. It is given that crossing y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. As it is passing below the origin, the coordinate will be negative. So the required line passes through 0, minus 2. So I can keep x is equal to 0 and y as minus 2 to find the value of k. So I will get the value of k as minus 2. So keeping in equation 2, I will get root 3x plus y is equal to minus 2, that is root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is your required line. So we were asked to find the equation of line which was passing through 0, 2 and making an angle of 2 pi by 3 with the positive direction of x-axis. The equation given in 1 is that, and they have also asked to find the line which is parallel to this line, that is the line given in equation 1, and that line passes through 0, minus 2. So we have found that line also. The given equation given in 3 is the another equation of line. Let's do the 15th question. The perpendicular from the origin. Let's say this is my origin. The perpendicular from the origin to a line meet it at an point minus 2 comma 9. Let's take this point as A, and this is your origin O. Find the equation of line. So we have to find the equation of L. So we know that this L is perpendicular to line OA. The required line is perpendicular to line OA, and we can find the slope of OA using formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 9 minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 0. So this will be 9 by minus 2. So slope of a required line will be reciprocal and additive inverse, that is plus 2 by 9. So we got the slope of required line, and we also got the point where 9 pass. The required line passes through minus 2 comma 9, and having slope 2 by 9. Here point slope form will be used. So the equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x. So y minus 9 is equal to 2 by 9 x minus minus 2. So 9y minus 81 is equal to 2x minus minus plus 2 to the 4. So 2x minus 9y plus 85 equal to 0. This is your required line. The length L in centimeter of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment, if L is 124.942 when the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and the length of the copper rod is 125.134 when the Celsius temperature is 110 degrees Celsius, then express L in terms of C. So we will assume that assuming C along x-axis and L along y-axis, we have 2 points. One is 20 comma 124.942 and 110 comma 125.134 in xy plane by 2-point form. The point C comma L satisfies the equation. You know that 2-point form can be applied. So here the 2-point form is y minus y1 is equal to slope, that is m into x minus x1. But again, m can be found out using y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 bracket x minus x1. So here we will take y as L, x as C. Uh, this will be my x1 y1, that is 20 comma 124.942 will be my x1 y1, whereas 110 comma 125.134 will be my uh, x2 y2. So keeping all these values, I will have L minus x1 is 124.942 is equal to y2, which is 125.134 minus y1, which is 124.942 upon x2 minus x1. x2 is 110 minus 20 bracket x is a C minus x1 is 20. So here we are applying 2-point form and point slope form together. So finally, if I solve this, then I will have L minus 124.942 is equal to, the subtraction of this will be 0.192 upon the subtraction of this will be 9 C minus 20. So if I want the equation, or if I subject this L, then I will have L is equal to 0.192 upon 90 into C minus 20 plus 124.942. This is the relation. 17th sum, the owner of a milk store find that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at 14 rupees per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at 16 rupees per liter, assuming a linear relationship between selling price and the demand. How many liters could he sell weekly at 17 rupees per liter? So first of all, we will try to find a relation between price and demand. So I will, assuming the price per liter, that is I will assume this as P, uh, in rupees along x-axis, and the demand that is D, in liters along y-axis. We have 2 points, 14 comma 980 and 16 comma 122 in xy plane. So by 2 point form, P comma D satisfies the equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is your point slope form, and if I keep the value of m as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 2 point form, then I will take y as d. Y1 will be my 980 is equal to y2 will be 1220 minus y1 will be 980 upon x2 will be 16 minus this will be 14, x will be my p if I am not wrong, yes, and x1 will be my 14. Here we are trying to find a relation between uh, price per liter and demand, and then we will find the value of D when the price per liter is 70. So D minus 980 is equal to, subtraction of this will be 240 by 2. If we go, well, yes, 240 by 2, B minus 4. So D minus 980 is equal to 120 B minus, this will be 20 multiplied by 14 will give me 1680. So 120p, or let's just express this in terms of d. Then d is equal to 120p minus 0 will be 700. So this is the relation between demand and price. Now they are asking us to find demand if the price per liter is 17, then what is the value of D? So D is equal to 120 into, we keep the value of D as 17, this will be 14 and 19 plus 2 will give me and 7 minus 700, 40 minus 700. So I can sell 1340 liters of milk at 17 rupees per liter.